In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom interface in Airtable. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, safer way for people to interact with your Airtable data, this is for you. Custom interfaces are perfect when you need a client portal, a KPI dashboard, a focused place where teammates can update only specific fields, or a simplified view of a complex base so people see exactly what matters. First, open Airtable and head to the workspace where your base lives. Pick the base you want to build on. Choose the one that already holds the records you plan to display or edit. Inside the base, look for interfaces. This is where you'll design the front end that sits on top of your data. You'll see options to let AI help or to build it yourself. For full control and clearer learning, choose Build It Yourself, then select Build an Interface. Give your interface a clear, descriptive name so collaborators instantly know what it's for. Names like Client Portal or Sales Dashboard make navigation easier later. Click Next to continue. Now choose a layout that matches your goal. Record review is best when people need to view and edit one record at a time with a focused detail page. Dashboard is ideal for charts, numbers, and summaries to track performance at a glance. List view is great for displaying filtered records in a tidy, scannable list. Blank page gives you full flexibility if you want to compose everything from scratch. After you decide, click Next. Choose the table you want to connect. This anchors your interface to the right dataset. If you're unsure, pick the table that contains the primary records users will view or update. Then click Finish. You'll land in the editor where you wire everything up. Each element you add should be connected to a specific table, a specific view, and only the fields you truly need. This keeps the interface fast and focused. Apply filters to show just the relevant records, limit what users can edit to protect critical data, and hide fields that aren't necessary. Small choices here greatly reduce errors and confusion. Set permissions thoughtfully. Decide who can view, who can edit, and which fields are editable. This is especially helpful when sharing with clients or cross-functional teammates, ensuring everyone sees the right data at the right level of access. When you're satisfied, click Publish in the top right. Your team can now use the custom interface instead of navigating raw tables, giving them a cleaner experience and giving you better control over data quality.